What you're looking at, you've heard me talk about cycles, you've heard me talk about time factors. I know this is very strange and very esoteric stuff. Markets move in cycles. They just do. And of all the tools that I use in technical analysis, these time factors tend to be the most accurate. There's no silver bullet in investing. But what I'm always looking for is the confluence of many techniques coming together, telling me, a high probability of what likely is the next thing that's going to happen. And so this vertical shade is a cycle that's been really accurate, going back to late 2021 and even going farther back. I mean, it's been around some pretty major turning events. But it was at the low in September of 2021, the June low, the October low, this low we recently had here in what is that, June, and it's showing up right now. And the way these time factors work is, I would say 75% of the time, around there, you tend to see a reversal of the trend. They're known as inflection points. You don't know what's going to happen when they show up, but what matters is how are you trending into them? Because that tells you more times than not, you're going to see a reversal, as you've seen right here. I mean, this is a daily chart. We're talking like this is like maybe 3 days of a cycle. And look at the accuracy. I mean, it's pretty incredible. And here we are trending down into it again. So we have the time telling us that we should be expecting some kind of reversal here.